This message comes from Databricks. Maximize your organization's potential for data and AI with data intelligence. Learn more at databricks.com. For the AI Report, I'm Artie Intel.
And I'm Micheline Learning.
Massive investment in AI infrastructure. Hot new AI tools making their way into homes and offices, new government rules to keep up, and scientists using AI to accelerate major discoveries.
Plus, why universities and businesses are racing to build their own AI strategies, and how the next wave of AI models will be used side by side instead of just one system ruling them all.
You're tuned to the AI Report for February 2, 2026. We begin with the engine room of the AI boom, infrastructure. Analysts say spending on AI infrastructure, everything from chips to cloud services, could reach nearly $1.4 trillion this year, up roughly 40% from last year. That includes specialized processors, data center networking gear, and storage built specifically to run ever larger AI models.
One standout is the rise of custom AI chips called application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, designed to be faster and more efficient than traditional graphics processors for certain AI workloads. Companies building these chips are forming major partnerships with cloud giants, who want to reduce costs and power consumption while scaling AI services globally.
In human terms, that means, your chatbots, copilots, and video-generating tools are getting more powerful, while data centers quietly inhale staggering amounts of electricity so your presentation can auto-format itself.
The infrastructure wave is also prompting tough choices for businesses. A new AI Trends report describes 2026 as the year when it becomes clear which companies are actually creating value with AI, and which ones are running very expensive experiments with little payoff. That's pushing executives to focus on measurable gains, such as fewer support calls or faster research, rather than vague promises of AI transformation.
And a key theme emerging this year, so-called AI-native organizations, where teams are built around human-AI collaboration from the start, not just adding tools on top of old workflows. This is the AI Report.
If you felt overwhelmed by the number of AI tools, you're not alone. Recent roundups highlight dozens of leading apps, covering assistants, video, images, meetings, automation, and more, that are already in heavy use in 2026.
First, AI assistants. Chat-style systems remain central, with platforms like ChatGPT and others used as general-purpose helpers for writing, coding, research, and brainstorming. Newer versions increasingly blend fast, lightweight responses with deeper thinking modes that kick in for more complex tasks.
On the video side, tools such as Synthesia and similar video generation platforms enable companies to produce training videos, explainers, and localized clips without cameras or studios, using AI avatars and voice synthesis. These tools can rapidly generate content in multiple languages, making it easier for global teams to share information.
Image generation also continues to mature. Systems such as Midjourney, GPT-based image engines, and other creative tools enable designers and non-experts alike to generate detailed visuals from simple text prompts. Businesses are using them for concept art, marketing assets, and rapid prototyping of design ideas.
Then there are the more specialized helpers. Popular meeting note takers like Fireflies, TLDV, and others now automatically capture, transcribe, and summarize calls, often integrating directly into calendars and CRM platforms. Inboxes are getting back up too, with AI-powered email assistants that draft replies, prioritize messages, and nudge you before important deadlines slip by.
For businesses, some of the most adopted tools focus on customer service and sales. Systems like Fireflies for meetings, Tidio for customer chat, and AI-powered sales outreach platforms help teams automate repetitive work while keeping humans in the loop for complex conversations.
So if you feel like your tools are a bit too eager to summarize your own thoughts back to you, that's not your imagination. It's 2026, and your notes now come pre-summarized.
Behind the apps, there's a wave of deeper breakthroughs in how AI itself works. Analysts tracking emerging technologies point to advances in mechanistic interpretability of large language models, techniques that probe the internal workings of models to make them more transparent and safer. These tools enable researchers to examine how models represent concepts, helping identify biases and prevent unexpected behavior.
Another big theme: hyperscale AI data centers. These facilities use synchronized clusters of chips to train massive models, but at a significant energy cost, prompting new designs to boost efficiency and integrate cleaner power sources. They are among the most power-hungry computing sites on the planet, pushing cloud providers and hardware makers to rethink cooling, networking, and chip architecture.
we're also seeing AI accelerate scientific discovery. Nobel laureates and top researchers recently highlighted how AI can dramatically accelerate complex computing tasks, such as generating 10-day weather forecasts in seconds rather than hours. Similar methods are being applied to climate models, materials science, and medical research, where AI helps search vast spaces of possibilities that would be impractical for humans alone.
Technical communities expect a wider range of model architectures to take off in the coming years, including systems that focus on understanding physical laws, reasoning about abstract structures, and modeling real-world environments for robotics. These approaches could enable AI systems that are better at planning, acting in the physical world, and collaborating with humans on complex tasks.
In short, AI isn't just writing emails anymore. It's helping design new materials, optimize power grids, and simulate the atmosphere. So please keep it away from your office thermostat unless you enjoy climate experiments at 3 p.m.
As AI capabilities grow, governments are moving quickly to shape the rules. In China, officials are pushing a vision that combines rapid AI development with strict adherence to expanding regulations, aiming to lead in advanced AI while tightly managing content and safety. Companies there face detailed requirements on how AI systems handle data, generate content, and respond to user prompts.
Elsewhere, policymakers are wrestling with issues from copyright to chip exports. In recent months, Chinese customs officials have reportedly restricted shipments of certain high-end AI chips from companies such as Nvidia, affecting how global firms plan their hardware strategies. Meanwhile, the United Kingdom has called for a reset in the ongoing dispute between AI developers and creative industries over the use of training data.
Tech companies are also facing pressure over the harms of AI-generated content. Advocacy groups have urged major mobile platforms to remove apps or services associated with sexualized deepfakes, underscoring the need for stronger safeguards and enforcement. This debate is driving new proposals around digital provenance, watermarking, and tools that can verify whether media has been manipulated by AI.
At the same time, security and privacy are now frontline AI issues. Trend reports point to preemptive cybersecurity, where AI is used to detect and stop attacks before they spread, and to specialized AI security platforms designed to protect both models and the data they rely on. As organizations adopt multiple AI tools, questions about who can access what data, and how it is protected, are becoming central to governance strategies.
Education and research institutions are not sitting on the sidelines. Leaders in major academic networks say AI is transforming how universities teach, conduct research, and manage administration, from AI-supported tutoring to tools that streamline IT and back-office operations. Events like Africa-focused machine learning conferences are calling for AI education and innovation led by local communities, emphasizing regional priorities and collaboration.
Inside companies, AI is increasingly embedded into daily work, not just reserved for specialists. Reports on 2026 tech trends describe organizations that weave AI into software development, customer service, logistics, and finance, often through domain-specific models tuned for particular industries. These AI-native setups aim to create continuous feedback loops in which data from real-world use improves the models, which in turn reshape workflows.
For many workers, that means your new co-worker is a model that never sleeps, occasionally hallucinates, and still expects you to do the final review. Progress, right?
Analysts caution that success hinges on governance and training. Organizations that invest in clear policies, transparent oversight, and employee upskilling are more likely to achieve real productivity gains, while others risk fragmented tools, shadow AI use, and compliance headaches.
Thank you, Artie. This message comes from Databricks. Maximize your organization's potential for data and AI with data intelligence. Learn more at databricks.com. For Artie Intel and the AI Report, I'm Micheline Learning.